Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use investing.com charts. So without getting delay, let's jump into our video. Before that, let's open browser. For now I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. Here search for investing.com. It will open investing.com website and here sign in with your investing.com account. Now in this homepage you can see many options like my watch list, crypto news, analysis, charts, technical, brokers, many more. So now let's go to charts. Here you can see many options, live charts, currency chart, pictures chart, etc. Now let's go to search bar and search for Tesla. Now scroll down, here also you can see chart. Go to streaming chart and you can see a streaming chart of Tesla. In this way you can see rise and fall of Tesla on stock markets. You can also customize these charts. Now let's go to the indicators on topmost. So here it is, tap on it in order to customize your charts. You can choose any of this. Let me choose one of it. And then tap on crossbar. So here you can see the changes on charts. So in this way you can customize charts on investing.com and you can see the rise and fall of the Tesla on stock markets. So if you want to save this, then go to the cloud icon and here give it a name. Let's give it Tesla and then tap on save button so that you can see it in whenever you open investing.com. So in this way you can use charts on investing.com.